Hi. Hi. Mag-kiss man jud na si Mommy kay Muka. Hi, sis. Are you a good girl today? Are you a good girl? Mag-kiss sabi si Mommy. Are you a good girl today? Yeah, Mommy is here tomorrow. Mommy is here tomorrow, Mox. Oh my goodness. Wow. Are you a good girl? You're by yourself today. I feel sorry to my baby girl. Oh, just belly rub lang, be. Mag belly rub lang si Muka, be. Yeah, belly rub. This is Mocha's favorite. A belly rub, yes. She loves belly rub. Moxia, yes. This is my baby girl, Mocha. She's such a very good girl. Such a sweet doggy. She is so smart. She don't pee in the carpet or anywhere. She just pee and poop in her pee pad. Yes. Don't forget to follow. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Shrimpy Vlogger sa USA. Shrimpy Vlogger. Thank you, guys.